Change and uncertainty are inevitable parts of life, but it's normal to find it difficult to adapt. Feelings can include worry, stress, frustration, and even anger. This video aims to explain what we might struggle with in uncertain times and the techniques we can try to combat these feelings. It can be a good idea to focus on what we can control during times of uncertainty. It's difficult to control thoughts and feelings, but we can control our behaviour and what we do in the here and now. One way we can help with this is by using the ACE technique. A stands for acceptance. Acknowledge the thought or feeling when it arises and notice what's going on in your mind. Give yourself time to think or feel it. C. Come back to your body. Ground yourself and take some deep breaths whilst continuing to acknowledge your feelings. And finally, E. Engage in what you're doing. Bring yourself back to the task in hand. Notice 5 things you can see or 3 things you can hear. Ideally run through the ACE technique 3 to 4 times whenever you experience difficult thoughts and feelings. And remember to be kind to yourself. Change and uncertainty can also directly have an impact on various aspects of life, including routine, mindset, our home environment, eating habits, and our sleep pattern. The Student Support website is full of resources that can support you in managing change in each of these aspects.